Now third question is given that find the equation of the axis. Now change the formula. Okay, focus vertex is gone. Now axis we got here, and directrix also we have to find. The of the parabola is given here. Okay. Now solution here. What is the given equation is? Find the equation of this one. No. Okay. So here given that equation is y square plus 6y minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 is given here. So I will this two terms I will take to the right side of the equation. It will become y square plus 6y is equal to 2x minus 5 will come here. So I will add 9 to the both sides of the equation. Okay, adding 9 to the both sides of the equation. It will become y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal to, so it will become 2x minus 5 plus 9 will come now. So in this it will become y plus 3 whole square will come here. Now in this we'll get as 4. 2x minus how much will get here? Plus 4 will get here. So this is, we can write it as y plus 3 whole square is equal to 2 will come into x plus 2 will remain here. So I will take this, I will compare this equation with this like fifth parabola of your page number 109, your textbook page number, that one, fifth one. So there y minus k whole square is equal to, so here y minus k whole square is equal to, so 4a into x minus h. I will compare with this one. Okay, so see in your textbook please, 109 page number there na, fifth one, y minus k is equal to k whole square is equal to, there you will find axis of parabola, there y minus k, axis of parabola is how much is given, y minus k is equal to 0 is given, and what other thing we have to find, directrix also we have to find. So directrix is how much is given here, x plus x minus plus ha is equal to 0. This is directrix is given here, directrix. Okay, so these two terms we have to find now. So first we will find the values of this one. So here y minus k is equal to 0, first axis of parabola. So here y is equal to what is there, y is equal to y only there, so k is equal to, so from this y minus k is equal to minus 3 will come here, k is equal to minus 3. So means here y minus of minus 3 is equal to 0. So y plus 3 is equal to 0 is a parabola's axis, this given parabola's axis. Now directrix is we have to find now. So from this x is equal to, so here x only, so minus h is equal to, here minus 2 will come, means plus 2 will become, and a is equal to, so what will come, a is equal to this 4a is equal to 2 na, so here a is equal to 2 by 4 will come, so 2 1 ja 2 2 ja will get cancel, a is equal to 1 by 2 will come here from this. So here 1 by 2 is equal to 0 will come here, 1 by 2 is equal to 0 will come. So this is cross multiplication, 2x plus 4 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 here, this one will come here, 2x plus 5. So this is the directrix of this given equation. Now end of this third question, what we have to find, first axis of parabola and another thing directrix, these two we got here. Now moving to the fourth one here. Now fourth question is given that find the equation of the axis he asking us to find, and directrix also he asking us to find of the parabola. Now solution here. So what is the given equation here? So 4x square plus 12x minus 20y plus 67 is equal to 0 is given here. Okay, so this is the fourth question. So where we take these two terms to the right side of the equation, we'll get like this, 4x square plus 12x, okay, 4x square plus 12x is equal to 20y plus minus 67 will come here, minus 67 will come here. Now in this so here 2x square na, so 2x will come, 2x plus some here 2x into 6x, 6 to that well. So what we have to add here means 9 by 4 I will add to, means 3 by 2 I will add. So okay, so I will add both sides of 9 by 4 I will add, will become this 2 times two sides of the equation I will add 9 by 4. So it will become 4x square plus 12x plus 9 by 4 will come here, it will become 20y minus, okay, 67 is plus 9 by 4 will come here, 9 by 4 will come. So in this it will become 2x plus 3 by 2 whole square will come here, 3 by 2 whole square. Here something will take this one, here 4 will common from these two terms. This will cancel here, will cancel this one. So it will 4 will goes there, so it will become, before adding only we'll do one thing here, will common 4 from these two terms. It will become 4 into x square plus 3x will come now. So is equal to, this 4 will come this side, means 20y minus 67 will come here. So in this 4 will goes there, x square plus 3x is equal to 5y minus 67 divided by 4 will come here. So now here we add 9 by 4 to this equation, not this equation. So this is some mistake we got here. Here x square plus 3x plus 9 by 4 will come here. Okay, 5y minus 67 divided by 4 plus 9 by 4 will get here. 9 by 4 will add here. So it will become x plus what we get here, x plus 3 by 2 whole square will get here is equal to, this will become 5y minus 4 is the LCM of this one here, 4 is LCM. So if we minus will do, so it will become minus 58, means 58 will come here. So this equation we got here, from this what we can common here, we can come this will cancel, no, 2 2 ja 2, 29 ja. Okay, so if I common 5 from these two terms, so it will become x plus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 5 I will common from these two terms, so y minus, it will become 29 divided by 10 will come here. 29 divided by 10 will come. So this equation I will compare with the in your textbook, like 110 page number. There you will find x minus h whole square is equal to 4a minus y minus k. So that is seventh parabola. I will compare with this one. So what is this one? X minus h whole square. X minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. So for this, what we have to find? Axis, no? Axis and directrix. What is the axis here? Axis of parabola is x minus h. Axis. X minus h. And x is equal to how much here? X only. So from this, minus h is equal to x minus h, no? Minus 3 by 2 will come now. So here minus 3 by 2. Here already minus there, and minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 will come, is equal to 0. Now another thing, what we have to find? Directrix. Directrix. Okay, directrix. What is the directrix here? What is this one directrix here? The page number 110 page low. So directrix of the y minus k plus a is equal to 0 here. Okay, y is equal to y minus k is equal to how much we get? K is equal to, in the equation, k is equal to 29 by 10, no? So 29 by 10 plus a is equal to how much we get here? No, we didn't get anything now, so 5 na. So here a 4a is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 by 4 will come here. So 5 by 4 will come here is equal to 0 will come. So if you want to do LCM, you do here, it will become answer come like this. LCM is will come as how much will come, means we'll do here LCM 10 comma 4, no? So 2 5 ja 2 2 ja. So 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. 20 will LCM will come here. 20 y will come here, minus 10 na 2. 48 will come here. Here 4 5 ja 20 na, 5 5 ja 25 will come here is equal to 0. So what will come answer here? 20y. So this is 4 5 ja na. So 4 5 ja 20. So here this 5 5 ja 25. Okay, 2 9 ja 48. This is 48. Okay. So it will become 23 will come here. 23 is equal to 0 of this equation. So 20y minus 23 is equal to 0. So this is the directrix of the given equation. Okay, now moving to the fifth one. Now here fifth question here, find the equation of the parabola whose focus is given here, AC is equal to, and the vertex is A is given here. So what he asking us to find the equation of the parabola. Now solution here. So first we will make the diagram for this one. So here he is saying that this focus and this vertex is given. We'll write first one, S is equal to 1 comma minus 7 and A is equal to 1 comma minus 2 is given na? So in these coordinates of A, this will think that A are equal here. Okay, so coordinates of x values, here you have to write here x coordinates in the A point and S point are equal here. So we can write is the axis. So what you have to find? The equation of this parabola. So first we'll find the axis to that also. So means like this will come here like this. If this these are two axes, so it will become 1 is in the minus place 7, so in the axis of 1 only na, so here 1 only, so it will become minus 1 comma minus 7, no? So it will come like this in the x axis too. So here another point will come as 1 comma minus 2 will come here. So parabola will come like this something. Okay, so this we have to find here. We have to find the equation of the parabola. This we'll have to find. Now coordinates a and r are this first coordinates, x coordinates are equal here. So means what we'll get here, this axis, whichever this axis is there na, it is parallel to the y axis. Okay, this is y axis, this is x axis, this is y axis thing that in the 1th page, in the 1th, this is 1 1 2 like this will come now. So this is 1 2 like this. This is like this. Here the directrix, we think the directrix are axis are here. Okay, now in this it is also equal parallel to the like y axis. Now what is the a value come here means a is equal to the distance between these two terms is equal to, so a is equal to as will come here from this. Okay, we have to find the parabola, no? So parabola we need a value compulsory 4a like this one. Okay na? So in this a is equal to distance between these two equations, these 2 points. Okay, distance between these two points will get the a value. So here under root of what are the points, x1 y1 x2 y2, no? x2 y2. So here y2 minus x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 is equal to 1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is equal to minus 2 plus 7 whole square will come here. From this under root of this will become 0 plus this will become 5 whole square. So it will become 5 will be the answer, a is equal to. So 5 will be the answer. So equation of parabola will come as, equation of parabola will take it as x minus h whole square is equal to minus 4a into y minus k will take here. Okay, so x minus h means, okay, what will come here, h is equal to this vertex is only na, so here vertex is h comma k na, we know already. Okay, so h is equal to how much, 1, x minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 4a into is equal to 5. Here will come is what y minus k is equal to how much will come, h comma k, no? So it will become y plus 2 is equal to y plus 2 will come here. So 5 4 ja 20 will come. So x minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 20 y plus 2 is the answer here. So if you want to expand this also, you can expand x minus 1 whole square, you can expand, and after this you bring this all terms to the left side of the equation. That will be the also the equation of the parabola will come here. Okay, now I will move to the next question, 6th one. This is very very important, that is a tricky question. Okay, now students, this is very very important question. You will find this as same like 5th question only, this 5th question only, but there is a x axis. So like x terms there na, x comma x1 y1 and x2 comma y2, these two terms are there na. So these two, this one and this one, where you will find x values are different, x values are equal here, but in the 6th question you will find these x terms are 3 comma 1. So these are the two different, but different, that's why this is different question totally from this 5th question. So what we have to do means we'll do that one here. First we'll go for like 5th question only. You will find example number 2, like problem number 2, solve problem number. There you will find 113 page. So please solve that also. So very very important. So there is given na, so that's I copied here. So like that's I did here. So very very important. You do that one. Okay. So that one also. So that is second problem, very very important. Now I will go for the 6th problem here. 6th problem is not given like anything here. So I am doing that 6th problem. It is differently only.